Hey guys, Nexon is back, and today we are going to deal about a concept that is the malaria. It's very much important question from human health and disease for NEET biology. So everyone, please listen to this topic. It is very important. Okay, so we all know that we have been discussing the diseases. Last video we have seen about the typhoid. It is a bacterial disease, and today we are going to deal about a parasitic disease. Okay, so this malaria is going to be a parasitic kind of disease classification. Okay, let's move on. Okay, let's see. Mainly, what is malaria? Okay, malaria is a protozoan disease. Okay, it is a protozoan disease, which mean we can say the protozoa are the main important causative organism. That protozoa is going to be the infection causing agent. Okay, so here we are going to deal what is the pathogen here. Okay, what is the pathogen, which means the disease causing bacteria or disease causing infectious microorganisms are called as pathogen. Okay, so in malaria we are having several kinds of pathogens. Okay, so plasmodium is the main genus. Okay, plasmodium is the main genus. So there are several species. Okay, many species are there. Let us see that. So first of all, plasmodium vivax, plasmodium malariae, and plasmodium falciparum. Okay, there are three types of species in plasmodium genus, that is plasmodium vivax, plasmodium malariae, and plasmodium falciparum. So the falciparum is going to be a very much fatal, and it is a malignant malaria. It is very much dangerous thing. Okay, yes. Then we're going to deal about the mode of transmission, how this malaria is going to be transmitted with the help of the Anopheles mosquito. Okay, that is a female Anopheles mosquito. Okay, so female Anopheles mosquito is going to be the reason, is going to be the cause of spreading the malarial disease. Okay, good. Then we'll see the symptoms. Okay, what may be the symptoms of malaria? If a person is coming to the clinic or your friend is affected with any malarial fever, how do you find out the friend is having malaria? Okay, it is very much important that we are going to have a particular type of symptoms, that is high fever and chills. Okay, chills and high fever recurring every 3 to 4 days, which means intermittent fever. Okay, so recurring 3 to 4 days of apo after 3 to 4 days again they will be having fever. So this fever is going to be continued at all. So it is called as intermittent fever or relapsing fever. If anything is asked, you can answer relapsing fever or intermittent fever. Okay, so it is will be recurring 3 to 4 days. This is the thing regarding the symptoms. So some other symptoms we can see. If we are moving on here, we can see here. So first of all, we are going to see the headache. Okay, there will be some headache. As usual, there is any fever, we will used to have headache. Then chills and sweating. Okay, normal now. In fever, we will be having chills and sweatings, and fever, muscular pain, body pain, back pain, severe back pain will be there. Okay, and then spleen. Okay, spleen is enlarged. Spleen is the graveyard of RBC, and this spleen is the organ which is going to be enlarged in malaria. And in stomach, we are going to get vomiting and nauseating sensation. Sensation of vomiting will be getting the thing. Okay, yeah. We'll move on to the life cycle of Plasmodium. How this Plasmodium is going to be transferred from the mosquito to the human body, and how we are getting this disease. Let us see. It is very easy. Okay. For that, you have to focus on this diagram only. Okay, this two diagram. Please note it down. First of all, what is going to happen? The mosquito is going to inject these porous whites into the human body. Okay, let us see this flow chart. After that, we'll move on to this. picture. Okay, yeah. First, we're going to see the first thing. Initially, the mosquito is going to bite a human. Okay, you're having a female anopheles mosquito is going to bite a human, a human body. So, in that mosquito's salivary glands, there will be sporozoites. These sporozoites are very important. They are the infective stage of plasmodium. Okay, so plasmodium infective stage is sporozoites. So where are these sporozoites? These sporozoites will be presenting in the salivary glands of salivary glands of female anopheles mosquito. As soon as when this mosquito is biting a person, this sporozoites from the saliva is going to transferred into the human being. Okay, so as a result, these sporozoites are injected into the human body. Then, as a result, this parasite will reach the liver. Okay, first this parasite is going to reach the liver, and what is going to happen here? In this liver, there will be asexual reproduction, which means like this. There is no meiosis will be there. There will be only mitosis. That means n number of chromosomes will be dividing into n number of chromosomes. N. Okay. So these are all the things that is going to be uh, multiplying in the liver. Okay. So after this excess of reproduction, this thing is going to be uh, poured into the blood. After it reaches the blood, okay, what is going to happen? As soon as that sporozoites, which are multiplied, they will be reaching the blood, and they will attach to the RBCs. Okay. Also, in the RBCs, also there will be some formation of this sporozoites, and there will be asexual reproduction will be taking place in the RBCs. So, as a result, the RBCs will be showing some ring-like appearance called as signet ring appearance. Please note it down. One of the important questions: signet ring appearance of the plasmodiums. Here we can see the yellow, orange dots will be the sporozoite. So it is seeming like signet ring appearance. Okay. Okay. Then after this, this RBCs will be rupturing and breaking out, and they will be releasing a element called as hemozoin. Okay. Very important. Hemozoin. So as we have discussed in a short question. So in our YouTube channel there is a short is available. Okay, hemozoin is very important. I have explained about the hemozoin in that short. Please see that. So hemozoin, okay. Yeah. So this hemozoin is very much responsible for the symptoms. What symptoms? You are having fever, relapsing type of fever. You are having chills, rigors, etc., 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 headache, anything. So that hemozoin is going to cause all these symptoms. Okay. Yes. Then what is going to happen? This RBCs will be releasing the hemozoin, and after that, the gametocytes will be there in RBCs by sexual stage. Okay, so the sexual stage is the gametocytes in the RBCs. The sexual stage is going to be happen in the RBCs. Please note it down. RBCs. Then after that, when the mosquito is going to bite, okay, when the mosquito is going to bite from the same person, okay, sucks the blood from the gametocytes, what is going to happen now? This gametocytes from the RBCs, that is which is present in the human, is going to be fertilized with the eggs of the mosquito. Okay, so please note it. So first, human body, here gametocytes are there. Okay, mosquito going to bite. As a result, during this bite, some gametocytes will be entering into the mosquito body. and here will be the mosquito eggs. Mosquitoes eggs are in the present within the mosquito. And what is going to happen? These things going to be fertilized. Gametocytes plus eggs. Fertilization. Okay. Fertilization is going to happen. As a result, we will be getting sporozoites. Okay. So as a result, we will be getting them sporozoites. These sporozoites again they will be storing in the salivary glands of the mosquitoes, female anopheles mosquito, and then further this cycle will be continuing. Okay. So this is actually the uh, life cycle of plasmodium and malarial spread. Okay, here we can see the diagram. If you want, you can take a screenshot of it, or otherwise, it will be very much useful for you. Okay, yeah. Okay, so what is going to happen now? You know, we'll be getting the malarial symptoms. Okay, that's it. Then, so thank you so much for your cooperation. Stick on to our channel for further updates regarding NEET 2027 portions. We will soon start some more challenging videos, Mentimeter quizzes, live classes. Everything will be uh, on the way. So please stick on to our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Let's crack NEET 2027. Thank you.